me on the radio.
Hey guys, it's Eric. We're here at RarsFest 2024 here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Excited to be here today. It's a beautiful morning. It's like 55 and sunny. It's going to be an awesome day. We're going to go check out the Hamfest, and then we found out that there's actually a huge yard sale going on at the State Fairgrounds today. So we're going to wander around there. Who knows? Maybe we'll find some cool stuff there as well. Let's do it. So here we are. You can see some of these pictures and some video that I sprinkled in here. I will say that this year's RarsFest was definitely smaller than some of the years, but there was a lot of really cool stuff. A lot of CB radio gear. That's kind of a theme with this year's Hamfests. I've been to 3 of them now, and I swear each one had more CB gear than one before it. So that was kind of a cool thing. But a lot of good ham stuff too, and of course, a lot of good conversations. Bumped into several people that I ain't seen in years, and always good to catch up with folks, you know, that you may type to online, but you never get to see in person. So that was cool. You can see the area not as packed in as usual, but still a pretty good amount. And I was lucky my wife actually showed up on this one, so we were able to do this one together. Of course, sometimes I wonder if she's here just to make sure that I don't go and overspend anything, but got a couple of nice little, GE Super radios and some vintage stuff here. And as you can see, we got, I would say like the boat anchors were maybe 15 to 20% of the pile. And one thing that was really nice here, and I don't know if I got any video of it, but there was some vintage computer gear, and I do love that stuff. I don't really make any videos on that, but in my personal life, one of my many hobbies is playing with older computers. And I've owned some Tandys and TRS-80s and Commodores and Ataris, and you name it, I've got it. So I don't keep them forever, but I keep them long enough to play with them and get refamiliarized with them. But yeah, look at these big amps here for those are for CB radio, and then antenna tuners, antenna turners, and a whole bunch of goodies. But this guy, I've seen him at a few shows. He's got a lot of ham and CB radio gear. He comes around here, and he had a really nice collection. As you can see, those D104 mics, which used to be everywhere, and now they're not. This is a nice hardened military computer there. That was kind of cool. Yeah, so overall, it was a fun time. Easy to get out in early April and go to this. If you've never been to the Raleigh Hamfest, it's called RarsFest. You really ought to check it out. I'll see you next time. Take care.